All right, people, here we go. This is an unboxing. Just I know what this is. I've been expecting it. And it is, there it is, mango chili, LMNT mango chili hydration mix. I have never tried this one, so let's give it a try. Okay, well, the box is slightly damaged, but I don't think that's going to matter. So I've started making a drink with this macadamia nut milk, which is right here, and I got that from Amazon also, by the way. And so let's try this. That's 8 ounces. Okay. In there. I like to blend it because that way it will mix really well. Going to start. Should be good enough. All right, let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that one a lot. This one's going to be a keeper. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I add a couple things to it. I'm going to put some apple cider vinegar in there, and I'm going to put some MCT oil, and then let's see how it tastes with that. Okay, a little more of the macadamia nut milk. Okay, now we're going to add some apple cider vinegar. Let's just do 1 tablespoon. Now we are going to add some MCT oil. Okay, let's just do 1 tablespoon. Now we are going to add the juice of a whole lemon. So I'm going to cut it. Squeeze this half out. Squeeze the second half out. The last thing we're going to do, put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in there. If you want to know why I'm doing these things in here, you can Google them. I'm not going to go into it in this particular video. Now let's put the top on. Put it back in the blender. The blender is done. Now, let's give this a try. Oh yeah, that's really good. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to recommend the mango chili LMNT electrolyte drink.